Today we'll talk about how can you add this on your Zalando app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do, just go down here. So you keep going down. Then you click here on your CSS here. Then it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do, just click here on from your closet here. And here can you select if you want to add it for women or men. Then you click here on top, say for example. Then you just click here on plovers here. And here select your brand. I'm going to click here on Adidas original, and here can you select this here, and here international CSS. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.